Welcome to my channel. Let's start episode 93 of Blocktime News. So, I will start from Loyalcoin update. They just created this video showing blockchain beach conference that they organized. There were a few very prominent people invited to this conference. Some influencers like owner of the channel DataDash, Jeff McDonald, also a lot of speakers from Loyalcoin, and I think that's really cool stuff. The quality of production of this video, being honest, they just finished this blockchain conference, beach conference, like one day ago, and they already created this kind of cool video about it. So the amount of work they are putting into production, into giving investors information about what are they doing, it's astonishing. So I was doing interview with Patrick Aleix like a few months ago, before they even started ICO, and I was already into this project. I was speaking a lot about Loyalcoin being one of the best ICOs on the NEM blockchain, one of the best use cases of the NEM blockchain, one of the best ideas, and also execution, because I saw over the last few months they really step up and created pretty good project, and they are operating it like a real company. So yeah, that's the topic of the day. What do you guys think about the Loyalcoin, about this ICO, about their project and their company? Because behind this ICO of Loyalcoin, there stands the whole company that is creating loyal points system for different companies. So what do you guys think about that? Let me know in the comment section. But moving on to the next topics, Lon Wong just announced the NEM exchange. There is testing phase of this exchange open already. I only can show you the login panel because I just registered and I don't even have access to see what's in there, but I saw some screenshots and it's pretty okay, just a normal exchange. But we already have one NEM exchange, working mosaic exchange called nemchange.com. It's working product, it's not on testnet, it's on mainnet, working on the real tokens. So so far the biggest volume on this exchange is on Loyalcoin, as we can presume, because it's very hot ICO, recent ICO on NEM. And if you guys are interested in trading some kind of NEM mosaics, you can basically add any mosaic possible. So you can create mosaic NEM with Tony just after seeing this video and put it on the nemchange.com. So this is cool because there is no censorship over the mosaics you are creating. It's almost like the decentralized exchange. But the custodian is, of course, the creator of this exchange, but also he wants to put it as a community project in future. So there will be probably some kind of community fund proposal for this exchange, and we will be able to vote in favor of that. And I'm super into that because it's a working product, and it's cool that Lon Wong is doing something with his own team. But yeah, we already have one project, and it's pretty cool. So it will be hard for Lon to make it better. And moving on to the next news, there is an interview with NEM developer Aleix. He's one of the Catapult creators. He works very closely to the core developers of NEM Catapult, and this interview, of course, will be linked in the description below, so you will be able to read about what's his role on the development team, what are the challenges of building NEM, what are the problems of real world, and how NEM can solve them. So different cool questions asked by Alexandra Tinsman from the NEM team. And moving on to the next news, maybe it's not recent news, I just brought it up, and it's about Venezuela government registering 16 crypto exchanges to list Petro cryptocurrency. Why is it important? Because, being honest, to list Petro, you need to list them first, and you guys know that listing them is a good thing. So we will probably have 16 more exchanges to list them. And I already contacted one of the owners of one of the Venezuelan exchange. So interview with him about Petro, about regulatory in Venezuela, about listing them maybe in future, because we are set to make an interview with him. And moving on, last news for today, fund platform, which was an ICO on NEM. I think they finished already. They announced that their crypto funds and ICO service is officially open. So as far as I know, they want to create ICOs and funds using their platform. So it's basically like something like Comsa was aiming to be, but of course we know Comsa had many regulatory problems, and their project is delayed by a lot of time. But it's good to see other projects trying to create something like that on the NEM blockchain. The fund platform is one of them, and as we can read here in the press release, fund can release its token on the Ethereum or NEM blockchain, and the latter option is significantly cheaper. So that's cool. If you want to support this project, if you want to read more about it, of course, it's in the description. And that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. New videos are coming. I'm coming back with new content. It's cool to make new videos about NEM, because this space is really amazing. A lot of things are going on in this sphere, and it's just pleasure to create content about it. So see you tomorrow. Bye.